In this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can enter a K-1 in TurboTax. So I'm going to help you guys as fast as possible. The first step is obviously to sign into your TurboTax account. Go ahead and type in your email, click on the sign in button guys, and then let's wait for it to load. It's going to ask for your password. Go ahead and click on continue again. And now, once you guys have signed into your account, go ahead and click on the search button in the top right corner. Type in Schedule K-1. Click on enter guys. And right here at the very top, you should see a button called Jump to K-1. That's what most people are gonna see, and you guys just need to click on that and it should take you to the K-1 page. But if it's not taking you to the K-1 page guys, go ahead and click on this button right here. Where do I enter a Schedule K-1? So click on it, scroll down, click on TurboTax Online, click on this K-1 blue button right here, and boom, it directly takes us to the Schedules K-1 page. And now you guys can start scheduling your K-1. So go ahead and just fill in the form. You can choose what type of products you want to use. You can use their Deluxe, you can use their Premium, or you can also use their free version. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this does not apply to me, don't upgrade. And then you guys can just go ahead and fill in the entire page. Thank you so much for watching and peace.